everybody, as I am here lakeside in the water. It is a beautiful day, taking the rays in, enjoying life, getting my feet wet in the water, and enjoying the summer sun. I hope you guys are enjoying your day, making the best of everything that you have, and taking life and enjoying every precious moment. I thank you. I am here just to remind you, as the sun is shining bright and you have another day on this earth, make, as Dr. Brown says, make the rest of your life the best of your life. Get out, get into nature, and I want to thank the gentleman who helped me set up camp. As you know, I like being in the sun, but also having shade as I work, because as you can see, this is my remote office. I want you to take a moment today. I want you to thank someone. I want you to help someone. And I want you to remind yourself that you live your best life. For every single moment of breath of fresh air that you have is another opportunity to bring your presence and give your gift of presence to someone else. This is a short video, but I wanted to give you some love, some nurturance, as the sun kisses upon my face from nature and our Creator, and I'm bringing it to you. My name is Andrea Mason, your global voice, coming to you from the Clearwater's edge, here in the mountains of the Northeast, bringing you sunshine, a bright smile, and have a wonderful day. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I just realized this was in selfie mode as opposed to YouTube mode. So that's alright, no worries. Make, in the words of my mentor, Dr. Les Brown, make the rest of your life the best of your life. Live every moment and embrace the journey and have fun. Take care, sending you the best always.